One of Vietnam's most iconic landmarks is Ha Long Bay. So we jumped at the opportunity to extend our trip and stay overnight on a luxury junk. They must be confused when they call it a junk, because what we boarded was as first class as they come, and the same service and accommodations that we've come to love from Uniworld. Ha Long Bay is incredibly beautiful. It has this mysterious atmosphere. As you look out over the glassy water and misty peaks, you're sort of struck that what you're looking at took 20 million years to form and has seen all of Asian history. The scenery alone is worth it, but there are surprises along the way. Secluded coves, incredible rock formations. We even explored this huge cave. It's just another way to experience this incredible part of the world with Uniworld Boutique river cruises. We can relax and enjoy ourselves because they've taken care of everything.